3D printer. So it's basically printing like the usual printing that you do on your paper, but now this is printing in 3 dimensions. So you use plastic material to bring up models into life. After designing something, if you want to test it to know whether the piece will work or not before you go to manufacture, you 3D print it. That way you can look at the structure, you can look at the areas of weaknesses, if there's anything that needs to be changed. If it's okay, then of course you can take the design to manufacture. But if it's not okay, it's an early stage and a cheaper way to detect that there's a problem with a design before you spend too much money manufacturing it. So that's basically what it does. But of course, for us, we use it for more than that. We use it even to build things that we actually want to use. Like for example, there's a tractor, a piece of plastic that broke, and we had Simon here at the lab redesign that piece because you can't just go to the market and buy it. It's like an accessory. So he designed it. So we'll print it on the machine and take it to the tractor, and that will work directly as it is.